So guys, this is so cool. We pass by here and then you see this is restaurant. It's a restaurant and coffee shop. You see guys? Ganun, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng restaurant na ang design is about car. Yung bang team nila is car. And then you see that? Yung upuan nila. So amazing. May makina pa sa ano. There's a engine also under the table. You see that? It's amazing. Kakaibang restaurant to ah. Amazing restaurant here in Dubai Mall. This is barbecue grilled seafood. Kastan. Wow. Nice sis, right? Look at this guys. They have a boat also. It's amazing. Boat pala to. I didn't notice this is a boat. This is their food. Wow. See, this is their food that they're serving. This amazing restaurant. Here in Dubai Mall. Dubai Zabil Mall. Yeah. Amazing. This look like new. So ito yung harap guys ng grill. So cool. Hindi talaga ako makaget over sa design ng ano ng restaurant na to. Kita nyo yan? Yung ano nila, parang ice cream section, dessert section nila meron. Ayan. So that is Kastan barbecue grill. So cool. So guys, natunaw na yung aking ice cream. Video pa more. We're sitting here in front of that restaurant. Amazing, right? See? Thank you for watching.